right, I'm going to really quickly go through the veins and arteries on the board right here. And what you'll notice right away is that the board is very two-dimensional. And on this side, you're going to see that the arm is pronated. So then we're not going to use the set at all. All right, so let's talk about the veins first. One of the first thing you notice is that you see the superficial veins, but not the deep veins. So you'll notice you see the median antebrachial vein split into the median basilic, median cephalic vein. The cephalic vein actually starts way up down here, and it moves all the way up. So this is cephalic vein all the way up here. Median cephalic, median basilic. Basilic vein starts way down here in the forearm, very superficial, and it moves all the way up as well. Right? Now, the brachial vein and the ulnar vein will run deep with the brachial and the ulnar and radial arteries. Right? So what we'll notice is that even though it's not shown, we can kind of see that it should be running with the brachial vein then. The brachial vein is this one. You don't see a radial or ulnar vein on this model, right? And what we'll notice is that when the brachial vein receives the basilic, it turns into the axillary. When the axillary receives the cephalic, it turns into the subclavian. The subclavian then, right, will receive the internal jugular. Right? On this model, you don't see the external jugular and you don't see the vertebral veins. Right? So here's the internal jugular fusing with the subclavian, and this little section is the right brachiocephalic vein. On the left side, the brachiocephalic vein is actually a little bit longer. You see the internal jugular subclavian veins on the left, and this is the left brachiocephalic vein. The two brachiocephalic veins are going to fuse to form the superior vena cava. Now, lower down, what we'll notice is that you see a very long, right, inferior